Hey there mga my loves, Libra. Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel, babe. So, before we start your reading, reminders muna as na hindi to for everybody. So, just pick up only the messages you think ay for you. At kung feel mo na ang reading mo ay for you, then this reading might be really for you. And of course, this is timeless as well. Kaya naman, just take only what resonates here with you. Guys, yun nga mga babes, no, wala po tayo ritong gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome here. So, just take only what resonates, no, and you can also flip roles if you want. So, yun nga, no, ang gagawin natin is your July 2024 reading. So, we're gonna use two decks over here, and let me just shuffle both, and then we'll start reading. Spirits and Angel Guides, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Can you please show me messages for Libra's July 2024, please? Libra. Libra for July 2024. Libra. Okay. Let's shuffle din na rin ito. Tell me more for Libra's July 2024, please. Thank you so much, Archangel Michael. Together with the angels and spirit guides. This is for Libra. Libra's July 2024, please. Meron akong nakikitang gustong makipag-usap sa inyo at posibleng makipagkita siya sa isang coffee shop, restaurant, milk tea shop. Yan. So, hindi yun mag-resonate sa lahat. Kaya naman just take only what resonates, okay? Message of concern. Yeah. This could be who I'm talking about. Maybe the one na mag-iimbita sa'yo is someone here na posibleng alangan kang makipagkita sa kanya. But I do see that for a lot of you, you will receive here a message of concern wherein maaring bumilis yung tibok ng puso mo or maybe bigla kang kabahan dito or biglang manumbalik dito ang isang memory na hindi mo gusto. So this could be someone here who hurt you. Pwedeng iba sa inyo, this could be your ex or this could be someone here who caused trauma. Could be anyone from your past. Okay. Put here. Latagnan muna natin mga babes, okay? Oh. Someone new. Okay. So to start with, beware because I do see that inside the family, there could be a thief. Maaring may magnanakaw sa loob ng isang pamilya. Doesn't have to be na material things yung nakawin or kunin, pero posibleng information na mahalaga. So, beware, no? Lalo na yung mga titulo sa lupa, usaping mga pera, no? Beware of who you are talking to. Okay? I'm not saying that it is your family, okay? Because I do see that there is a viewer or viewers right here na meron sa pamilya ninyong isang magnanakaw. Yeah. And for some reason, kadugo mo siya. So, whoever this kamag-anak, relative, family members, could be anyone from the family with blood ties, this person is a magnanakaw. So, posibleng indikasyon nito na posibleng may mawala kang alahas, gamit, or whatever. Hindi ko naman nakikitang mananakit physically or whatever, pero nakikita kong hindi aamin pagtapos ng pagnanakaw na ito. So whatever the case may be, I'm seeing that. So to avoid this, I do see that this is you. Keep your important things with you, even your ideas, concepts, and baka may alam kang information about the family, inheritance, or whatever. Keep it to yourself. And sa mga importante mong gamit, no? Nakikita ko dyan na itago mo yung mabuti, no? At mas maganda, yung key is yung hindi maduduplicate. So, always keep your keys kung sa cabinet mo yun itatago, no? Or sa isang vault, yan. Pera, ingatan din. At saka yung cellphone. Mas maganda kung may password. Lalo na, nakita tayo dito na yung cellphone mo is nandyan lahat. Password ng iyong social media accounts, password ng iyong bank account, no? Details and other things, no? Pati yung mga importanteng mga passwords or yung mga importanteng informations sa mga personal mo ritong mga properties. Yan. Or kahit na ano man yung importante na yan. Okay? Keep it to yourself. Yan. Dahil hindi mo alam kung sino ang ahas sa pamilya. Dahil ang ahas ay marunong magbalat kayo, isn't it? Diba? Kaya magpalit niya ng balat, diba? So, be cautious and pakinggan ninyo yung inyong gut feeling. Okay? So, maliban dyan sa ahas na yan, isa pang mensahe na nakikita ko for the month of July is this sudden wealth or occupation, no? I mean, and occupation. There is something here that you are being rewarded with a recognition, with something here na pwedeng increase in salary, incentive, or a promotion, or this is you will receive here something good because of a job well done. Baka may ma-receive ka ditong vacation leave or whatever, or meron ka dito ma-receive na something from the management of the company that you're working with, or from your boss, or from the higher positions, no? So, nakikita ko dito na tuloy-tuloy lang dito, no, mga babes, ang inyo ritong pagsusumipag sa trabaho dahil nakikita ko rito na you're on the right path going to this increase of salary, income. Yung iba sa negosyo ito. No, yung negosyo ninyo, kahit ano ito, no, pero maaaring yung iba, damit, may kinalaman sa damit, clothings, fabric, yan, no? So, yun nakikita natin dito. And you're focused and you are really very detailed. Yung iba doesn't have to be na sa clothes lang ito. Pero with this occupation and sudden wealth, it could be any job, it could be any negosyo or business, but always be laser focused with what you're doing because you will receive here amazing outcome. Positive. You're gonna attract money. 777 is an indication that your manifestation regarding money, Libra, is about to happen here in your life. And it's gonna happen July 2024. Wow, money, money, money. You know, money, money, money is coming. This pair is about to mawala right here na parang bula, no? Ano man yung pinoproblema mo rito, na nakikita ko dito na maayos na yan because of the money that you will receive. Kung ano yung money na marireceive mo, nakikita ko magtutuloy-tuloy pa yon. Hudyat na yan ng mga susunod pa. Yung iba dito na walang trabaho ngayon, no, nakikita ko na magkakaroon na kayo rito ng trabaho. There's an opportunity of job this 2024, no, and get you will get that job. You're qualified for that job. You're gonna get that job. You're gonna get that business here or business ito na mag-trend. This is the business here na mag-excel. So, if you're doing here business, no, at kakasimula mo pa lang, don't lose hope because may pagbabago mangyayari dyan. July 2024. Okay? Lalo na kung may kinalaman yun sa pagkain. Yan. But this could be any business, no? Nakita lang kasi natin yung food. So, okay? Just take how that resonates. And, yeah, included na rin yung drinks doon, mga babes, no? So, maliban dyan, if this is you na may pinasahan ka na, no, may pinapasahan ka, no, nitong mga nakaraang buwan or ngayon, buwan, no, nakikita ko na isa sa mga yan ay kukontak sa inyo. This July 2024 at hindi lang basta isa sa mga yan. Isa sa pinakagusto nyo na mapasukan dyan na kumpanya yung kukontak sa inyo and you will get in sa company na yan. Magtatrabaho ka dyan. I'm seeing you acing the the interviews ng management dito, no? And for some reason, get ready kasi yung iba may panel interview dyan. Pero carry lang, malulusutan mo kasi deserve mo yan eh. Sa'yo talaga yan nakalaan. Okay? So, nakikita ko dito mga babes, no? Na iba sa inyo siguro single mom, single dad, no? But doesn't have to be. But I do see na mararamdaman mo rito na parang sumasaya ka na ulit, umaayos na gumagaan na yung buhay mo. So, parang just like a child, parang ikaw 'to na yung pakiramdam mo is ang gaan, 'no? Para kang lumulutang sa ere 'no, dahil yung problema mo unti-unting nasusolusyunan, unti-unting nawawala. 'Di ba yung mga bata 'no, parang wala silang mga problema, ang bababaw lang nung mga parang iniisip nila 'no. So, ganun yung mararamdaman mo this July 2024 because your life will start to change positively, Libra. Yeah, see, look at that. Unexpected income coming your way, and it's because of your hard work. Hard work is being paid off right here because there's good news related to your money, coins, and pentacles. So, yeah, you will receive here something because this is something here na isa sa mga wini-wish mo, no? Na may kinalaman sa yung pentacles, money, and coins. So, maliban dyan, nakita rin ako ng energy dito ng isang someone na posibleng, hindi ko alam no, medyo mekos-mekos kasi yung nararamdaman niya. Hindi ko alam kung sinisisi ka niya ba dito dahil parang medyo hindi kagandahan yung nangyayari sa sitwasyon ng mga buhay niya ngayon. I mean, yung mga sitwasyon sa buhay niya ngayon na hindi kagandahan. Nakakaranas siya dito ng mga hindi magagandang mga bagay, no? So, parang ang nakikita ko kasi dito, parang yung sarili niya talaga yung sinisisi niya, pero hindi niya magawang sisihin yung sarili niya because of ego or because of pride. Parang nangyayari kasi rito, pangit yung mga sitwasyon nangyayari sa buhay niya ngayon. So, posibleng sinisisi niya yung sarili niya, pero ikaw na lang yung sinisisi niya kasi hindi niya masisi or hindi niya matanggap sa sarili niya na kasalanan niya. Excuse me, kung bakit nagkakaganito yung kanyang life. No, ulitin ko lang, no? Bawat tao ay may karapatan sa kanilang buhay at bawat aksyon ay may kalakip na consequence. Kaya kung ano man yung desisyong ginawa niya rito na posibleng kasali ka doon, hindi mo kasalanan dahil siya pa rin ang nagdesisyon for his or her own life. So this is not your business. This is none of your business. But this person here is connecting to your energy because he or she is someone who is really longing to be with you again para umayos yung buhay niya. But how come, 'di ba, na mangyayari pa yon? So see, instead of blaming himself or herself, biniblame ka niya rito, no? Para hindi niya na ritong magawa na lumapit sa'yo. Nakuha mo yung, yung, yung pinakaibig kong sabihin. Ibig sabihin, this person here will continue to hate you even though he or she wants to be with you. Because para hindi siya rito lumapit sa'yo. Diba? Kasi alam niyang ibababa niya yung sarili niya. So that's why this person here is keeping it cool, keeping it chill, even though it's tearing him or her inside. This person is having a lot of problems, especially financial problems. This person here knows that you are the answer. Okay? Pero yung totoo, kaya niya naman talaga dito na paayusin yung buhay niya, no? Posibleng tamad lang to. Yun nakikita ko rito. I'm sorry, hindi ko pala nakita na hindi nakafocus yung camera. So, yeah, I do apologize for that. So, let me just go back here, Libra. So, nakikita ko rito na kung sino yon, posibleng ex nyo siya at posibleng may anak kayo sa kanya. Yan. So, whatever the case may be, doesn't have to be the case. Nakita natin kaya mention po natin. So, aside from that, I'm seeing na maraming mga pagbabago na ngayon na nangyayari sa buhay mo with the dragonfly and the butterfly right here. You are now moving forward with your life, sumasabay ka na rin sa flow at sa agos ng life mo, and you're happier compared sa mga previous months or previous years na pinagdaanan mo. Okay? Tapos na at nilibing mo na yung dating ikaw. Iba na ang ikaw ngayon. You are now glowing up. You are now paying attention sa pag-aalaga sa sarili mo. You're treating yourself. Binibigay mo sa sarili mo yung gusto mo. Bumibili ka ng favorite drinks mo kahit wala namang occasion or what. Okay? It's like a treat to yourself, no? Na deserve mo na kunwari, wala namang special today, pero gusto kong uminom ng caramel macchiato sa Starbucks. Yan, mga ganun, no? And you're gonna buy it to yourself, no? Hindi pa ko endorser niyan. Pero in-example ko lang. So, nakita ko rito, no, na this is you, hindi mo tinitipid yung sarili mo, hindi mo, parang, hindi mo hinahayaan na ma-neglect or mabalewala rito yung sarili mo. So, pag meron ditong mga bagay na niisip ka, ginagawa mo as long as magpapasaya yun sa'yo. No? Papangiti yun sa'yo. And because of that, love is coming your way. Someone new is coming your way. This person is already heading papunta sa inyo. Yung layag ng barko niya or bangka niya ay papunta sa inyo. So, ibig sabihin, this person here is marami-rami sa inyo na paparating pa lang siya, pero yung iba pwedeng dumating na pero hindi pa kayo nagkakakilala ng lubusan. Pero kung sino man ito, this is the person here who keeps his or her promises alive at tinutupad niya yon. This is someone here na matandain. Yun yung isa sa pinaka-nakukuha ko sa kanya. Matalas ang memory niya, no? At lahat ng mga sasabihin niyo sa kanya ay maaalala niya, no? Kaya magugulat kayo nito kapag nagkaroon kayo rito ng pag matagal-tagal na kayo, no? May mga babanggitin siya rito na, "Uy, naalala mo pa yun? Grabe! Ako nga hindi ko na maalala yung ibang detalye doon, pero ikaw naalala mo." So, this person here is someone na matalas yung memory at saka may pagka-sentimental siya, no? May value sa kanya lahat ng mga parang mga gagawin ninyo, lahat yun iti-treasure niya. Which is I think yun yung isa sa pinaka magugustuhan mo, no, na something unique about this person. Yung puso mo na namatay ay muling mapapabuhay nitong person na to, no? And this person here, you will receive this big love, yun. Yun yung heart niya binibigay niya sa'yo. Diba? Inaalay niya rito ang gahiganting puso niya para sa'yo. Kaya prepare for that unconditional love that cannot be compared with anything and anyone in this world. So a lot of passion and affection is coming from this new person right here, and you're gonna start to love this person's presence until you fall in love again. But this is the last time that you will, because this is the person meant for you, Libra. And this is one of the sudden wealth entering your life. Not just money, but this is something here that will surprise you because there is really someone pala na posible pang magmahal sa'yo. And there you go. It's part of that metamorphosis or it's part of that changes in your life. Wow. And another message I'm getting from here is that yung ewan ko kung dapat ko ba sabihin 'to, pero sasabihin ko pa rin. I think a family member here will throw a party or, will throw something dito na parang dinner or occasion na ganyan 'no, specially, pero hindi sasabihin sa'yo. So, I think meron ditong, um, pag-surprise ang iyong mama or yung iyong papa dito 'no, like yung iba nakikita ko dito na parang sa bahay pero yung handa niyo is hindi naman yun yung everyday na hinahanda ninyo 'no. Pero this person here will do that 'no, and that is for you, 'yan. So, wow, ang taray ng daming pagkain sa hapag at hindi yun yung araw-araw ninyo na paghahanda, parang may celebration talaga and it's a surprise. Because all of the favorite fruits na foods na nakahain dun 'no, fruits, vegetables na lahat-lahat 'no, ay ang mga paborito mo, 'yan. So, these are all the messages we've got right here for ya, Libra. Thank you so much for your time here, babe. Please to check out other channel if you're interested. Link is down sa ating description box. Muli ako po siya ng inyong psychic medium, Sarah Ngayala Love and Light. Annyeong!